question here says solve for x if 4 raised to power of open bracket x minus half close bracket equals to 2 raised to power of s squared. Okay, let's look at the solution to this problem. All right, so this will imply that 4 can be written as 2 raised to power of 2 all raised to power of x minus 1 over 2 equals x raised to power of, equals 2 raised to power of x squared. Okay, now this can be written as 2 raised to power of 2 in bracket x minus 1 over 2 all equals to 2 raised to power of x squared. All right, so here we have the same base, right? So the bases are equal on both sides. So in that way, we can equate the powers. So it will imply that we're going to have 2 in bracket x minus 1 over 2 equals x squared. Okay, so let's expand this. All right, 2 multiplied by x will give us 2x minus 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. 2 will cancel 2, right? So we have 1, which is equal to s squared. So we can rewrite this as by transferring all the terms here to the other side. We have 0 equals s squared. When this one comes here, it will become 2x, and when minus 1 comes here, it will become plus 1, right? So which implies that our x squared minus 2x plus 1 will be equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. All right, so let's factorize it and find the value of x. So in that way, therefore, now let's look for two numbers that will multiply each other to give us plus 1 and that will add up to give us minus 2. And for sure, that's minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 is equal to plus 1, while minus 1 plus minus 1 will give us minus 2. So therefore, we have x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0, right? Now, let's group them. All right, we have this x squared, open bracket, x squared minus x, close bracket, minus, open bracket. Bring this x here so that x minus 1 here multiplied by x will give us minus x here. So what will be here in such a way that if we multiply it by minus 1, it gives us plus 1. That is minus 1, right? So everything equals 0. All right. So what is the common factor here? That is x. Take the x out. X squared divided by x will be x, minus x divided by x will give us 1, close the bracket. So minus. Now here, there's the common factor is 1, right? And it is factorized out already, right? So everything here equals 0, right? So now here we also have x minus 1 as a common factor. So now let's take it out. X minus 1. So open bracket, what's the value here? We have x, and what is here? Minus 1. So everything equals 0. If you look at this, so they look the same. So this means that this is a perfect square, right? So x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. So which means our x is equal to 1 in both sides, right? So this is the solution to to this particular problem. Hope you like it. Please help us to like and comment. So if you have any other way that this can be solved, so let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on. All right, thank you.